Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check your AirPods battery life in your iPhone. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to check your AirPod is connected with your iPhone or not. So just go to the Bluetooth area. So as you can see, I have connected with my AirPods. So now what I have to do is I have to just left slide like this, and here is my all the widgets. As you can see, here is showing battery life, means iPhone battery life and AirPods battery life. So if you don't have this option, then what you have to do, you just need to long press on this blank portion area, and after that click on this plus button over there. So click on plus, and after that you have to scroll down and you will get one option like batteries. So click over there, and here you will get a different type of widgets for your battery status. I will choose this one. So now click on add widgets and it will show you over there, and now click on done. And now if you left slide to your phone like this, it will show you over there. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.